4 time management tips to tackle information overload. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with several time management tips to help you tackle information overload. It happens to the best of us. We start our workdays off by checking our social media, online news sites, and email, only to discover we've wasted several hours that we could have been focusing on important tasks. Here are 4 time management tips to help you overcome information overload in today's digital world. Number 1. Prepare in advance. At the end of your day, create a list of the tasks that you need to complete the following day. When you plan your day ahead of time, your subconscious goes to work on your plans and goals while you sleep. Often, you'll wake up in the morning with new ideas and insights for how you'll tackle your day. A significant benefit for preparing the night before is that you can sleep more soundly, helping you to increase productivity throughout the following day. Number 2. Schedule your time. Scheduling your time every day will help you to reduce stress and release energy. Set aside a block of time every day to tackle your emails and check your social media. Using your organizational skills to plan your day will give you a greater sense of control and improves your self-esteem and sense of personal power. Number 3. Start early. Start your day early to increase your productivity. The more time you spend sitting, thinking, and planning, the better organized you'll be in your life. Taking a few minutes every day to quietly reflect before you start any undertaking can help you to clear your mind of unnecessary information and clutter. Having a mind free of clutter will allow you to be calmer and more creative throughout the day. Number 4. Improve your organizational skills. Commit to improving your organizational skills and use a filing system for both home and work. Today, people waste as much as 30% of their working time looking for misplaced items. The most straightforward filing system is an alphabetical system. You should also keep a master list of your files in a single place that tells you the title of each file and where it's located. Effectively managing your time during the day can help you tackle information overload. Follow these tips to increase your productivity and decrease the amount of information you're subjected to daily.